It's Christmas in the air. Let's make something simple and special for this Christmas. So come, let's make coconut ice snowballs. By the way, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe by clicking the subscription button below and also give a thumbs up. In a bowl, I've taken around 3 cups of desiccated coconut. Now I'm going to add condensed milk into this, around 3/4 of a cup. Keep on mixing by adding slowly so that it gets mixed very well. While mixing itself, you will come to know about the consistency. If you like it more sweeter, then as per taste, add powdered sugar. Mix it very well. The easy way to check the consistency is to make a ball and see whether it's holding. Like this. Now, for adding different colors, let's divide this coconut mixture into 4 bowls like these. Balanced mixture shall be used later for making balls without color. Here I am using natural colors, melted chocolate, saffron syrup, extract from coriander leaves, strawberry syrup. These are the colors we are going to use. Strawberry, extract from coriander leaves, saffron, melted chocolate, I have dropped 1 teaspoon of each color into these bowls. Let's mix it. The colors have been mixed very well. Now shape it into small balls. In the same way, let's give shape to other mixtures. Our coconut balls are now looking really good. Here, I have shaped our original coconut balls too without any special color. Let's cover these with desiccated coconut, and for this, I have taken 1 cup of desiccated coconut. Now let's cover the other coconut balls too. Our coconut ice snowballs are ready. Now before serving, let's keep this in the refrigerator for cooling. It will taste excellent if you could keep it overnight in a refrigerator. Now let me ask my guests to come and taste it and see how it looks. You just try this?
Hello. I take the saffron one.
Yeah, that's the saffron one.
And I take the cacao.
Yeah, that's the chocolate. Yeah. And tell them how's it.
I have to chew. It's very good. It's not too sweet, which the snowballs I know are very sweet, but this is not too sweet. And it's very coconutty, it's very good.
Okay.
And the texture is perfect.
I hope my recipe for this Christmas season was interesting. So do try it. If you have any doubt, then please use the comment section below. See you all in my next video with another tips and tricks.